Ghorsav, houses, Maithili, English. Writer Claire Verbeek, Thembani Daladla, and Janelle Buthelezi. Illustration Kathy Arvakal. Translated into Maithili by Gajendra Thakur. জি একটা ছাড়াল ঘરમાં রহিতেছ। Z lives in a thatched house. Thulani একটা চৌকোর ঘરમાં রহিতেছ। Thulani lives in a square house. ই ঘর আয়তকের আকার কেছ। This house is a rectangle. এই ঘরক ছাদ ত্রিভুজক আকারক अछि। The roof of this house is a triangle. ओ अपन घर बना रहल अछि। This man is building his own house. ई घर नव अछि। This house is new. ई घर पुरान अछि। This house is old. कतेक नीक लगतै एहि घरमे रहबामे। I wish I lived in this house. घर सब, houses, Maithili, English. Writer Claire Verbeek, Thembani Ladla, and Janil Buthelezi. Illustration Kathy Arvakal. Translated by David Fonoseme. Translated into Maithili by Gajendra Thakur. Gajendra Thakur is the editor of Videha, first Maithili language fortnightly journal, ISSN 2229-547X at www.videha.co.in. Houses writer Claire Verbeek, Thembani Delatla, and Janil Buthelezi. Illustration Kathy Arvakal. Gajendra Thakur is the editor of Videha, first Maithili language fortnightly journal, ISSN 2229-547X at www.videha.co.in. The original version of this story is in isiZulu is available at http://cae.uk/resources/seedbooks.aspx. Site South African Institute for Distance Education. www.africanstorybook.org. A side initiative.